everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana, and today, as you can see by the title, I am going to be eating vegan food for the entire day. Honestly, videos with this title are kind of confusing because you're not going to see me eat for 24 hours. You're going to see me eat probably from like 9 to 8, so less than 12 hours, but it is what it is. I understand what they were trying to do there. These are already pre-recorded. Initially, I was just going to challenge myself to do this for 24 hours, but I started to think about it and how much I really want to, take care of my body, lose weight, and I know that I can't do that if I just tell myself to eat healthier but still continue to eat meat and dairy. I don't know how long this is gonna last because I know how much I love chicken and cheese. I just don't think I have the sort of discipline to continue eating meat and dairy but eat healthy, whereas I feel like I can restrict myself a little bit better if I were just straight up vegan. By the time you guys watch this, it'll be 3 days. No struggles so far. I've been enjoying finding new recipes, all that stuff. So I'll be rating each meal at the end of this video and some of the vegan products that I bought. I do plan on doing this long term, so vegans, if you have any recipes, if you have any products that you recommend, because the bacon situation, I'm just not understanding how we're gonna bridge that gap. Before I do get started into the recipes and my 24-hour journey, I did want to shout out a black business that you all should support. I did want to shout out a black business that you all should support. Her name is Glamour Babes Collection. These lashes that make me look like, I don't know, I'm just, I look good. So I will put her Instagram right here. They're bomb. So without further ado, let's get into breakfast. I'm not going to lie to you, my breakfast was the least favorite thing that I had. It was very healthy, it was very fibrous. My body's not used to eating stuff like that so early in the morning. Very much so eat waffles drenched in butter and maple syrup or eggs and bacon. But yeah, my body was just taken aback. I don't really care for peanut butter, so maybe that's why I didn't like it. I'm gonna rate it a 3 out of 5. 2.5 out of 5, if we're being realistic. This sandwich was honestly one of the best sandwiches that I've ever had. the vegan bacon, the recipe is not my own. I'll drop it in the description box. I remixed it a little bit with, you know, stuff that I like, but I don't know if I didn't bake it long enough to remind me of crispy bacon. It honestly just reminded me of barbecue chips. The sweetness was nice within sandwich, but it just wasn't exactly what I was looking for. I am definitely on the market for a good vegan bacon. I think I'm just nervous about seitan because in my head it's seasoned dough. But if you have any good recommendations, I'm very much so open. The cheese, I was very shocked with the cheese. I've had vegan cheese before. I didn't mention this before, but I've tried going vegan at least 5 times before. And I had bought this disgusting Parmesan vegan cheese. It tasted like potatoes, but this cheese, chef's kiss. Mayonnaise tasted like regular mayonnaise. I never would have known a difference. Yeah, I was definitely satisfied with that meal. 10 out of 10. Oh, we're doing 5, sorry. 5 out of 5. My snack, I mean, it wasn't really groundbreaking vegan meal, but it was delicious. I guess I'll give it a 4 out of 5 because, like I said, it's nothing groundbreaking, it's just a smoothie. She was delicious. I make some of the best smoothies ever, so I'm quite proud of myself. Last but not least, my favorite thing that I ate, the potato soup. I'm putting a recipe on my blog and you can see it right here. I think I'm gonna try to keep the recipes on my blog and kind of keep it a little bit vague on the channel. I got the inspiration from one of my favorite soups at Panera Bread, the loaded potato soup there. But, you know, she's heavy, she's very much so not vegan. I was nervous about the coconut milk and how it would alter the taste of it, but she was still tasty. Like, just thinking about it, I wish I had made more, but it is what it is. Yeah, that was my 24 hours being a vegan. Once again, if you have any recommendations, please let me know what you recommend. Welcome me to the vegan team. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.